English workshop 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. The young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wings. Answer: true. B. The young seagull's parents guided and improved his siblings in the art of flying. True. C. When the young seagull pretended to be falling asleep, his parents noticed him. False. Even when the young seagull pretended to be falling asleep, his parents did not notice him. D. Flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. False. Flying across to the young seagull, the mother stopped short just above and within his reach, holding the piece of fish. 2. Complete the following statements. A. The seagull is afraid to fly because dash. Answer: of lack of confidence in oneself and the fear of failing. B. Young birds are afraid to make their first flight because dash. Answer: flying is new to them and they are unsure of whether they will succeed. C. Human beings find it difficult to face great challenges because dash. Answer: they are afraid of the fear of failing. 3. Read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentences of your own and write in your notebook. Plaintively, monstrous, beckon, curveting, wet, sore. Answer 1. Plaintively. The puppy let out a plaintive whimper when the girl stepped on its foot. 2. Monstrous. The animal attains what in this order is the monstrous size of 9 inches. 3. Beckon. One of the portals beckoned him before he had finished the sentence. 4. Curveting. His eyes shone with pleasure and he allowed his horse to curvet freely. 5. Wet. Stones whet a sword. Difficulty strengthened willpower. 6. Soar. Eagles, vultures and other birds of prey are seen soaring high over the highest of the forest-clad ranges. 4. Read the following words carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word given in brackets. Afraid, plunged, appeared, shrilly, skimmed, devoured, cowardice. A. Arun is full of cowardice. B. The violin played very and merrily, shrilly. C. Ravi said, "Are you really of the dark?" C. Afraid. D. The whole village into darkness, plunged. E. The lions their prey hungrily, devoured. F. He threw the report, skimmed. G. One by one, the stars in the sky, appeared. 5. Read about the space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you're going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 interview relevant questions regarding 1. Her early life training, 2. Education, 3. Her actual flight into space, 4. Future plans, 5. Her message to viewers. Answer: Good evening, madam. I, Master Saurav Sharma, am a class 10 student of the IIPM High School. Our students have read about your successful space mission that concluded recently and would like to know more about you. Could you please spare us some time and kindly address these questions? 1. How would you describe your childhood? 2. Were you always passionate about space and its mysteries? 3. How did you train to be an astronaut? 4. Who has been your steadfast support in this journey? 5. What major challenges did you face in your journey to being an astronaut? 6. Share with us your feelings when you were assigned a space mission by NASA for the first time. 7. What are your current responsibilities as a part of the cadre of astronauts training to fly the initial test flights for America's first commercially built spacecraft, Boeing CST-100 Starliner and SpaceX Dragon? 8. What is it to be like in space? 9. You have been awarded the Humanitarian Service Medal for your great achievements. Would you like to comment on that? 10. Finally, What message would you give to aspiring astronauts? 6. Describe in your notebook the challenges you faced while learning to ride a bicycle or swimming or any skill. Take hints from the web to complete your write-up. Learning bicycle, challenges, confidence, risk, daring, fear. Answer. It was indeed a challenge when I first learned to ride the bicycle. I remember my father accompanying me each day to the playground along with the new bicycle he had gifted me. I would fall so often and injure myself. I felt sure I wouldn't ever be able to ride like my elder sister. I developed the fear of being unable to balance myself on the bicycle. But my father and sister didn't give up on me. They would pick me up each time I fell and tell me to perfect the ride. With their help, I overcame my fear. My confidence in my abilities was restored and I dared to ride the bicycle on the road. Certainly, encouragement and support go a long way in mastering any skill in life. 7. Project A. Collect the career options related with flying. Find out the institutes where training of your options is given. Find out the detailed information about the fees, duration of training, and future prospects of it. Answer. There are many career options related to flying, like becoming a commercial pilot, flight engineer, helicopter pilot, flying officer in the Indian Air Force, or being a part of the cabin crew. The details with regards to becoming a commercial pilot are as follows. A commercial pilot license, CPL, from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, is essential to becoming a commercial pilot. Institutes that provide training: 1. Kawa Aviation, Baramati. 2. The Madhya Pradesh Flying Club Limited. 3. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy, New Delhi. 4. Government Aviation Training Institute, New Delhi. 5. NMI-MS Academy of Aviation, Dhule. 6. Shahship Group Academy, Guna. 7. Telangana State Aviation Academy, Hyderabad. 8. Flytech Aviation Academy, Hyderabad. 9. The Bombay Flying Club, Mumbai. 10. Rajiv Gandhi Aviation Academy, Telangana. Fees. The training fees range between INR 20 and 30 lakhs. Duration. The average time taken to complete a program would be 15 to 18 months. With the increase in the use of air travel as the preferred mode of transport, becoming a commercial pilot is a lucrative career. Note: students are expected to find information about the other careers on their own. B. Collect or draw different pictures of birds from your surroundings and write about them. Make a chart with some information about each. Answer. The house sparrow is generally found around human habitat and less in the forests. It is a small brown-colored bird with black streaks on its back. The male and female differ in color. The male is dark brown with a black bib, grey chest, and white cheeks, whereas the female is light brown throughout its body with no black rib, crown, or white cheeks. It is a social species found in groups of 8 to 10, chirping and chattering to communicate. It feeds mostly on seeds, but in the breeding season, the adult bird feeds its young ones with insects. In recent times, its population is on the decline in most cities owing to extreme concretization and global warming. Indian jungle crow is a glossy black crow with a heavy black bill. Its feathers have a purple gloss throughout, its tail is rounded, and its legs and feet are stout. Its call sounds similar to the house crow's, but is harsher. It may soften its food with water. It has been observed to eat sand after feeding on a carcass. It has varied types of cawing. Despite its name, it is commonly found amongst human habitat too. It can be easily distinguished from the house crow, as the house crow has a grey neck. The Indian peafowl is celebrated in Indian and Greek mythology and is the national bird of India. They are found in the Indian subcontinent. The male, known as the peacock, is basically blue with a fan-like formation of feathers and is best known for the long train, made up of elongated feathers which bear colorful eye spots. It is a beautiful, attractive bird. The female, called as peahen, lacks the train and has a greenish lower neck and dull brown plumage. The Indian peafowl lives mainly on the ground in an open forest or on a land under cultivation. They feed on berries, grains, snakes, lizards, and small rodents. Their call is loud and distinct. Language study. 1.